हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल। सबसे पहले आप सबको नववर्ष की शुभकामनाएं। हैप्पी युगादी एंड हैप्पी गुडी पर्व टू यू एंड योर फैमिली। आई नो दैट एवरीवन इज बिजी फॉर अपकमिंग एग्जाम which is going to be held in May 2023. But in the know, what is happening to me, I am receiving a lot of messages for in my WhatsApp as well as in Telegram group. Is how to revise FR in 7 to 10 days. Whether it is possible to revise FR in 7 to 10 days. Of course it is possible. But क्या होता है जब आप अपने से इसको रिवाइज करते हो तो यू टेक मोर टाइम इन FR प्रिपरेशन। तो उसको आसान करने के लिए मैं आपके लिए इस 9 वर्ष की शुभकामनाएं के साथ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम अपलोडिंग माय इंटायर रिवीजन लेक्चर इन यूट्यूब फॉर यू ऑल, not only in English language but as well as in Hindi language for the first time. Means मेरी FR revision जो कि 60 hours की है, which is of 60 hours, will be now available for you in YouTube both in Hindi and English language separately. So how to prepare that I am going to inform you with this video. With me from tomorrow you can start your FR preparation, which will be completed in 7 days. Means 7 days with me you will be able to cover the entire concept of FR from examination point of view, as well as all the important questions which are relevant to understand the concept, as well as which are important from examination point of view will be also available in that videos. Understood? Now what I will be doing, that this revision lecture I'll be uploading part wise. However, this Hindi language revision lecture will be in 6 part and English language revision lecture will be in 7 part, but there is no difference in number of hours. Both will be having same number of hours and same concepts, correct? So what I will do, I will be uploading these videos part wise. So how you will get the updates about this video? For that you need to join my Telegram group channel, for which the link of this Telegram group and channel will be given in the description of this video. You can join that. Updates about this revision lectures will be given to you by way of that Telegram group and channel. Understood? Correct? So do join my Telegram group and channel for updates. Got it? Have you understood this point? Now how to revise that I am just going to inform you soon. But once again I just repeat that both the revision video will be consisting of approximately 60 hours. Means in these 7 days you will be able to complete the entire revision with me. Got it? Now after 7 days what I will do, because in these 7 days it might happen even though I am with you in YouTube, but there will be a lot of doubt coming to you. So after 7 days I'll be coming live in YouTube for completing all these doubts. Means उसके बाद मैं YouTube में live आऊंगा आपके लिए। उस लाइव सेशन का भी जो भी अपडेट्स है दैट विल बी गिवन इन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल, करेक्ट? तो इसलिए मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं कि सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आपको सारे अपडेट्स मिलते रहें। आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? यस सर। नाउ इन दिस YouTube live session I'll be also covering some expected question which might not be covered in this revision video. Got it? So all other expected question for which already I have given the PDF to you, that will be also covered in this live session. In this live session the other important question will be also covered, with your doubts will be also covered. So can I say in these 7 days entire revision will be completed. Then in coming 3 days for 2 hours I'll be coming live. So in 6 hours I'll be able to cover your all doubts and other important questions. Got it? And I'll be also providing you in this revision video the PDF of my Saransh book as well as what updated question bank book. Got it? So you can do all the questions from your also by, if you want to cover entire questions. So this question bank will be covering all the questions of ICAI study material, RTPMT and all exam question up to what? November 2022 attempt. Got it? Understood? I hope whatever I am saying it will benefit to you. So from my point of view, one guarantee I can give you that with me from 23rd in 7 days you will be able to cover the entire syllabus with all the concept of FR, with all important questions. So are you ready for the FR preparation with me? One more clarification, that if you have some other plan for FR preparation, means if you want to continue after 7, means you have your own plan, you can stick to your plan, don't change it. But if you have not made any plan for FR preparation, you can start preparing FR with me. So in 7 days you will be able to complete entire syllabus and you will not waste your time. Correct? Understood? Got it. So can I say that now you and me both will be together for FR preparation? All the best for your exam, all the best for your preparation. Any other doubts, whatever you have, you can contact one number. The number you can write on 8766246684. Till then, bye bye, take care. We'll meet soon from tomorrow for FR preparation. Bye bye, take care.